Welcome back to my another video. This is a dataset sample dataset from powerbidocs.com. You can download these files from this website. So to learn it and to data analyze in Power BI, Power Query, Power Pivot. So for learning purpose, or you can create multiple datasets within this sheet. So see full video to understand how we can create a pivot and charts, as well as connecting relationship with two different tables. But we don't have here extra tables. We have only one sheet, global superstore, which is full detail. But what we are going to do, we are going to extract this product ID and product name and pasting in another sheet, removing duplicate. Then we'll create as a new table for products table, then connecting relationship and giving relationship between transaction detail and products name. So first we have to copy these two columns. No need all these if we have a data set complete in a detail. Just to show you relationship between two tables. Here we need to remove duplicate. Also check if we have duplicate even after removing. Yes, we have. Shift L. So how can we manage this? It has multiple duplication. We have several methods, but because large data set, if I put functions like count, duplicate, count if, and analyzing more in more detail, it will take long time for calculation and threading that systems. So what I want to do it, just I will copy another sheet, get X lookup, which is the top value, and as a description, and remove all this. Fine. See, sort A to Z. This duplication of description, product ID is same, description is different based on country. This is the reason we found duplicate. See, 087, which has two different description. So finally we'll remove this. Because if you have duplicate no unique values, relationship will not work. Just right click, copy this again and delete this again, remove duplicate. Okay, fine. No, we don't have any duplicate. Column name, copy, paste again here. We can get X lookup, comma, this, and getting description, return value. If not found, we'll say that NF not found, and extract match, extract for the smallest atom or next atom. Exact match will take. Close. Once again we'll check if duplicate, not possible. Product ID is not possible, but here we have still duplicate. Like sorted to Z. We'll try another method, comma, return array product, and if not found empty, then match or next similar, close. So first method is not working. Finally we need to make it more specific for this one. Copy these two column again, paste, okay, and control A, insert, pivot, okay, product ID, product name, just pivot table option, display, classic, show method, remove subtotal, just copy same, fine, control A, copy, paste, sorry, paste here, control shift L, and what we need to do here, we need to select blank and delete all this, control shift arrow, control minus, finish. Now check for duplicate, no duplicate here, in description no duplicate. So finally we rename as products, sheet 7, delete, yes, sheet 7, this is logic. Yeah, it depends how we need to do it. I'm deleting this product name. Now control A, power pivot. In my previous video I shown you how to enable power pivot from options of the file, and this is available from 2000 MS Office 2013 and above. 2010 you have to add add-ins like that. Okay, add data model, okay, now you can see diagram view, rename table as tbx transactions, right, again file, close, products, control A, power pivot, add to data model, my header has, okay, same, rename as tbx products. Also I'm going to add one date table, fine. Now giving relationship to all these tables, order date should be like date, as well as we have product ID, link to product ID, success. Okay, now we can create a pivot table from here, new, we can rename as country and state or just country, add fields here, show country and state, country again for filtration, fine, and also we have to get total order ID and count as distinct, right click, field setting, layout, repeat label names and show item. So table options, sorry, this field setting, layout, repeat, and delete these. We can add a slicer for country filter, no problem. So here we have to insert map, it will not work, so just copy all and paste as values, control A, now you can find map, right click, select data and change these A to C, 3 columns of our pivot table, to see. Okay, and remove this static data which we copied, and moving this. Dot filter, need to put pivot table option, display classic, and remove this and collapse button. Country. Okay, now remove all, multi-select, Afghanistan, Mexico, Netherlands, United Kingdom, Turkey. So add here data labels, legend no need, chart detail, where is India? ABC. Why? Fine. So what we have here, map country, again going back to power pivot, manage, add another pivot table. Here now we are going to add like order date, order year, remove order month, and remove this field, and sales, insert, recommended chart is, will recommend to line chart. Okay, fine. Monthly sales. Next, power pivot, manage pivot table. Okay, and top 5 products, product ID. See, you can get here product ID, product name, and sales or count of sales, order ID, quantity, top quantity, sum of quantity, and we are going to here top 5 products and sum, staples, sorry, clear filter, and value top 5 sum of quantity. and again insert recommended chart is lines. Now A to Z, sorry, there is one logic for this. If you don't have filter here at values, just click outside of pivot table, click data and filter. Now you can find here largest to smallest, smallest to largest. It will working as opposite. Later on we'll format everything for a dashboard. And country wise we have here country and order numbers. What else remaining? Monthly sales, monthly sales, country, product, sorry, country 19, top 5 products, top 5 products. We need to add some year. Okay, top 5 products for 2011, 12, 13. Size, clear, width, shape. Okay. like this. 1 minute. Delete this country. Copy. And now monthly sales. Design. Copy. Dashboard. Okay, now inserting again. Pivot chart, manage. What else remaining to do? By category. Pivot table. Okay. Here we have to show field. Category. Subcategory. Sales. Okay, then again insert recommended chart, combo in it, bar, धीरे रहमत का Okay, we can add more, but so top 5 countries we can get it. Global store, Power Pivot, manage, insert Power Pivot here, top 5 countries, show field, country, and sales profit. Insert recommended table. Okay, and here we need top 5 data filter sum of top smallest losses and design these. We'll see dashboard. Finally, Power Pivot manage.